Okay, that is... I am a complete retard. Just put that out there. Welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. The only thing we're going to do today is grind down this inspection lip on the bell housing because it is supposedly contacting the pressure plate and preventing the pressure plate from spinning, although there's some other hit marks in here, so I'm not really sure what the hell is going on. But we're going to hold this down so it doesn't move, and then we are going to attempt to, and I got safety glasses on. This is something where you have to have safety glasses. Ooh, what the fuck? I thought that was the emergency brake. Well, the fuck did I just do? Okay, that is... I am a complete retard. Just put that out there. I'm pretty sure there's a tool that's supposed to tighten that. Where's the fucking tool though? God damn it. Okay, so yeah, there is a tool for tightening. Okay, that's just a lock. That's not a brake. That's just a lock for tightening the thing. I feel dumb. Okay, anyway, safety glasses back on, and we now need to get this bottom lip here. So that's nice and smooth now. It should clear. I might give it a little more, but okay, so now we know it's really smooth. So now we need to get this bottom piece. The problem is this block, well, the block might not be in the way. We'll find out. Okay, and we now have a hopefully clearanced and ready to reinstall bell housing if I decide to work on the project tomorrow. More about that coming in another video.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive.